Hello friends, here I have come again. I am Santanu. Today I will discuss something about prepositions for the upcoming competitive exams. You all know that I have been away from YouTube for a few days due to my technical problem with the mic. So still now I am here. I think you are all learning my lessons, learning my classes, taking my classes properly and keep watching my videos. Now please, without wasting any more time, so kindly keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels, and do not forget to press the notification bell icon, so whenever I will upload any video of such kind, you will be informed with immediate effects. So kindly have a close look on the board. I'd love to write something. So it is all about prepositions. The first question is, Reshma traveled her father on world when she was. This is the sentence. Options A, with, around. Option B, by, above. Option C, with, over. Option D, for, around. So you all should know, my friend, that with is also known as preposition of associations. Prepositions of association or togetherness. So Reshma traveled with someone. With whom? With her father. So with will be the answer here. There is a controversy in this blank, over this blank. Around or over. Be careful, around or over here in this case almost have the same meaning. But when over is there, around is there, over is always preferable to around, as over gives more stress to the sentence than the preposition around. So whenever options are there like this, you should select over, not around. In the absence of over, you can select around, but in the presence of over, you cannot select around. So this will be this means this will be the answer. Okay. Now I'd like to go for the next question. Please keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. And do not forget to press the notification bell. The next question is also about preposition. When mom will serve the dinner, get the books. This is a blank. Only one blank is there. Options A, from. Option B, of. Option C, be careful of the spelling, OFOW. Option D, out of. Option D, out of. So three options are there. Sorry, there are four options. So four options are there: from, of, OFF, OF, out of. So out of the four options, you have to select the one. Be careful about one thing. So OFF always indicates some kind of distance. So when distance is going to be a factor in a sentence, here distance. Suppose the books are already on the table, but when mom is going to serve the dinner, kindly keep the books away from the table or remove the tables. Something like that. That means you have to distance the book from the table. So when some distance is there, so you should select off. So the right answer will be off. This means this will be the right answer. Now I would like to discuss my next questions. It is also about prepositions. Four options are there. The host means organizers. The hosts were happy home. There are two blanks. In the last question only one blank is there, but here two blanks are there. Options A, on, to. Option B, for, in. Option C, with, in. Option D, with, to. Four options are there. The host means organizer. Organizer. Okay. So our visit, where are you going to visit? Their home. Target is there. Target and direction both are there. So when to is also called, so here to is also called preposition of target or preposition of direction with target. With specific target. There must be some target. Direction home, target is also the home. And you all know that whenever happy such a thing is there, so instead of any other we generally use with. There is a specific cause, so keep watching and subscribe to my channel. I will discuss every cause in my videos. Okay, so the answer will be with, to. Okay, now I am going to discuss the next question. It is also about prepositions. Do not miss my classes when I am going to discuss something about preposition in the next class. When I shall be going to discuss the same thing, I will discuss some dimensional use of preposition. There is a close relation between geometry and prepositions regarding the dimensional use. Now the fourth question is also about prepositions. The manager has no supportive fact to speak. Only one blank is there. Only one blank is there. Options A, on. Option B, OF, not OWF. Option C, for. Option C, for. Option D, about. About means regarding or concerning or with respect to someone, or you can say in connection with. This means the manager has no supporting fact to speak in connection with the same. So when this kind of sense is there, so regarding oblique respecting we should all select about. So the right answer will be about. This means answer is about, the option is D. Okay. So judge your prepositions properly with a logistic or with a logical mind. Never mug up the preposition, this will happen, that will happen. So analyze your prepositions properly. In my next video, I will discuss something about dimensional use of preposition. This means it is all about the preposition in. Later, with the advancement of my channel, I'll also discuss more and more about preposition. Why do we use of? What are the various uses of? What are the various uses of over? What are the various uses of above? There are thousands, so there are many uses, and the logic is also there. We should all know the logic. Without knowing the logic, you never be able to rectify your mistakes. You should, if you would like to rectify a mistake properly, that you will never repeat the same. Then you have to know the cause. So without knowing the cause, you cannot expect that you will get enough confidence in the days to come. So this is my class for the day. Tomorrow I will again start my class on prepositions and its dimensional use. So kindly keep watching my video, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell icon. But here is the message from me, that if you have any queries, anything to know regarding any kind of grammar for the upcoming competitive exam, kindly drop your message, drop your comments in the drop box. I will try to satisfy your answers. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.